So hi folks, Shane here. What's the word on everybody's lips at the moment? Coronavirus. Yeah, what a nightmare for everybody, eh? Absolute nightmare. The world's gone into meltdown. It's having so much of a knock-on effect to everybody, really. To business, to families, the economy in general. You know, you think about it. Here we are, coming up to Easter. People should be going away on their holidays. That ain't going to happen. I wouldn't be surprised if all the borders are closed down fairly shortly. I wouldn't be surprised, especially if France closes its borders, because apparently it's getting worse there. Not good at all. Without sounding selfish, myself and a few friends are supposedly going to France in May. Realistically, I think that's going to be off now, unfortunately, but you know, it is what it is. Everybody's in the same boat. It's just a blinking shame. But hopefully we can still get away in this country, North Wales or the Peak District or the Lake District, even possibly the NC 500. I know the Scottish Tourist Board were getting very excitable because the lack of bookings or cancellations and everything else, so you never know, there might be some cracking deals available for people who wish to venture up to the wild and woolly north. But there you go. Oh, thank you. I think that was Peter Griffin in that car, but there you go. So yeah, this is causing so much disruption and whatnot, and of course we've got to remember the people who have lost loved ones as well. Dreadful. But something what I'm getting more and more twitchy about are these selfish people who are buying 3 million toilet rolls at a time. You know, the toilet roll situation, i.e. the shortage even, it's nothing to do with coronavirus. About 3 months ago, before we went into Brexit, somebody said, and it was in the press, so I blame the media for this, once Brexit has gone through, there'll be a lack of loo rolls. So nobody seemed to panic and thinking, oh well, you know. But I think, again, it's raised its head again by somebody else in the media. And of course, people have gone into, whoo, I've got to get me Andrex. I ask you, so instead of just buying a family pack, a 9-pack or a 12-pack, they're buying 20 12-packs or whatever. You know, now, unfortunately, by doing this, causes grief everywhere. Well, you know, elderly folks can't get hold of them. I mean, my wife took my in-laws up to Asda today, one of the supermarkets. Nothing on the shelves. Absolutely ridiculous. So a mate of mine, he came up with a very sensible idea yesterday. Why don't the supermarkets say, right, for the first 2 hours of trading, we're only letting pensioners in, so they can buy their provisions. Obviously, they can't go buying 200 bowls of toilet roll. You know, it has to be, if it's got to be rationed, it's got to be rationed. But at least they'll be in with a chance of getting provisions, because they're the ones who are vulnerable. You know, the elderly people with underlying health problems. Let's try and help them out rather than make the situation worse by taking off everything off the shelves. You know, I mean, it's not a dog-eat-dog world, I hope. If it is, that's a hell of a shame. Really is. But that's just my thoughts on it. So YouTubers, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please consider it. If you do, that's brilliant. Welcome on board the team. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified of my videos as and when they're uploaded. I don't just do chats and moans about the world. I do tours, reviews. Yeah, so come along, join the gang, and as I say, stay safe, folks.